Namaste everyone, it's Brahat Singh here. Today we will practice side leg stretching. This side leg stretching is really very good practice for those who have long sitting job in an office, who have to sit long time in the chair, and also those people who have stiff hamstring, stiff calf muscle, stiff hip joint, tight hips, those who are very tired with their legs because of the stiffness. So let's start the practice. So first we do the leg straight. We do the leg straight and relax the legs. Then we go with the right leg, bend the right leg first and touch the heel all the way up. Left leg straight forward. With the inhalation, raise the hands up, and exhalation, hold the foot with the interlocked fingers. Then bring the toes in, inhale, stretch the spine up, push the knee down. You need to make your thigh muscles tight. You need to make your whole leg muscles tight. Then stretch the spine up. With the exhalation, bend elbows down and touch the forehead to the leg. Maintain this posture a few breaths, at least 5 breaths you need to maintain the posture. You need to do deep and long breath. Keep pressing the knee down. There is no gap under the knee, stretching the body forward. With the inhalation, lift the body up, and exhalation, hand take down. Then we change the leg again. Another side. Keep the heel all the way up. Right leg straight forward. Push the leg down. There is no gap under the knee. Legs tight. With inhalation, hands straight up and hands forward. Interlock finger, hold the foot. Stretch the spine, again inhale here and then exhale, bend elbows down and forehead to the leg. Maintain this posture for a few breaths. Just how you breathe out, press the knee down. How you breathe in, stretch the body forward. Maintain the posture very gently. Inhale, head up, raise your hands up and then exhale, hands down. Now we do with the both legs straight. Open your legs according to the hip joint. Bring the toes in. Push the knee down. Thigh muscle tight. With inhalation, raise your hands up. And exhalation, hold the toes from the upside. Then you need to move the hip back. Move the hip back to open your hamstring, to open your calf, to open your hips very well. With the inhale, stretch the spine. Exhalation, bend elbows out and go down forward. Take your head down in between the both legs. Maintain this posture. How you breathe out, push the knee down. How you breathe in, stretch the body forward. Elbows up. Maintain this posture for a few breaths. At least 5 breaths you need to hold one posture. Gently inhale, head up and hands up. Then very gently exhale, hands down. Then bend the both legs. Feet together. This we call is butterfly. Hold the toes and slowly you need to move your legs up and down. This posture is really very good to be helping improving the pelvic strength. Also this posture very good for the pregnant woman. Also this posture reducing the stiffness from the hip joint, and it also increase our reproductive organs. So just keep pressing the knee down, having some good stretch over the hip joint. After that you can try with the both hands and press the knee down with the hands. Feel the stretching, enjoy the stretching. Yes, like that. Keep pressing down, keep pressing down. After that, push the knee down and hold it. Then bend the elbows down forward. With exhalation, maintain the posture here. Move your body slowly, adjust yourself here. Then with a breathe out, lay down forward and forehead to the ground. Maintain this posture here. At least 5 breaths minimum. Maximum you can hold it for 1 minute, 2 minutes. Gently come back. Each posture you need to hold at least 5 breaths. But if you wanna hold more longer, so there is no problem. You can be go hold it around 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's okay. Then we do one leg bend. So I'm bending my right leg, touch the heel to the hip here in the center of the hip. Interlock finger, hold the left foot like that. With the spine straight, inhalation, leg up, and exhalation, bend the elbow out and touch your heel to the forehead. Stay there, few breathe, 5 breathe at least. Elbows up, chest up, touch the heel to the forehead, stay there, maintain the posture. Then gently come back. Left hand take in, hold your ankle. Right hand take over the left foot, hold the foot like this. First you need to bring your leg over the shoulder. Yes. Then left hand straight side. Remember, don't lift this hip. Both hip to the ground. This hand straight side. With inhale and exhale. Leg straight, open chest, look up opposite side. To the right side. Stay there, maintain this posture. Few breathe. Gently come back. Bend the leg. And then leg straight to the side. Yes. Leg straight to the side. You don't have to push your leg back much. Just gently keep this heel line with the knee. That is fine. Inhalation, 2 hips on the ground. Hands open. And exhale, you see. Turn the left hand, palm facing up and hold the foot from the front side. Then right hand over the head, hold the left foot. Then turn body and twist body, look up. Stay there, push the knee down. Maximum stretching of your hamstring under the knee, calf. Open chest and look up. Maintain this posture for few breaths. Then gently come back, inhale and exhale, hands down. Then keep the toe in and drop the toe down like this. Both hands on the ground, hip up. And turn the body outside. See, this leg straight back. You need to take the leg in, 2 hip in the line, turn hip front, hands take to side and move your hip right and left, right and left, right and left. This exercise is help you out to be opening your hip joint. It increase the lower back strength also. It also reduces the stiffness from the lower back, from the sacrum area. Also it improves the strength of the lower back. So just keep moving the hip right and left, right and left, right and left. Then stay in center. After you feel your both hips in a straight line, then stay in center. Then bend elbow down forward. And exhalation, lay down here. Maintain this posture for few breaths. Just relax here. Then gently inhale, come back and exhale. Again turn another side to front side, to bending this leg, straight this leg. Then now we do the all postures another side. So bend the left leg, heel, bring into the center of your hip, right leg up with the interlock finger, hold the right foot, inhale spine straight. Bend the elbows out and exhale, touch the heel to the forehead. Maintain this posture, lifting the elbow, heel to the forehead, chest up, hold there a few breaths. Gently come back. Now the second posture, right hand in, hold the ankle, left hand take over the right foot, hold the foot from outside, take hand, hold the calf and bring the knee to the shoulder first. 2-3 times you need to adjust up and up. How your knee come more over the shoulder, this posture gonna be easy for you. So bring the knee to the shoulder first, fix it. After that, right hand straight side, don't lift right hip also on the ground. And with inhalation, right leg straight up and open chest, look up to the left side. Maintain this posture for few breaths. This posture giving a very good stretch over the hamstring, over the calf, under the knee and hold the leg. So this is very good posture to reduce the stiffness. After that, bend leg and straight leg to the side. You don't have to be forced to take the leg back. Just line, Keep this heel line with the knee. This leg is straight. Push the knee down, thigh muscle tight. With inhalation, hands open and hold the foot from front side. Then this elbow you need to take out. Left hand up over the head. Hold the foot, turn and twist body and look up to the ceiling. Maintain this posture. How you breathe in, open chest. How you breathe out, push the knee down. Stay there, maintain this posture for few breaths. Gently come back, hands open. And then you see, hands down, turn this toe and hip up, maintain, adjust like this, back side leg straight, maximum. You don't have to take out, you don't have to take in, just straight back, line with this hip. Turn this hip forward and use both hands side and you see, move the hip, right and left. This exercise, moving exercise, it giving a good stretching to the hip joint, giving good stretching to the low back, giving good stretching to the whole the hips area. So keep moving. You need to enjoy the stretching. If you having overstretching, so you just need to enjoy, just breathing out and enjoy it. Then stay center, maintain two hip in the line, move chest, open chest, and then exhale, bend forward. Stay, maintain this posture for few breaths. And then gently inhale, come up. And turn body to the front side. Then now you open the both legs. Open both legs side and hands forward. Inhale, hips up and forward, exhale. Inhale, hips up and forward, exhale. Maximum. As you can go forward, just keep the both legs in straight line. Then you see, bring the toes in, push the knee down. Maintain this here. Hands open with inhalation and exhalation. Hold the left foot with the left hand. You see, try to touch the fingertip to the heel. So go down without lifting the right hip. Open the chest, right hand straight over the head. Maintain this posture for few breaths. Push this knee down, make the thigh muscle tight. Then gently inhale and exhale, come back. Then we go to the right side. Try to touch finger to the heel without lifting the left hip. Open the chest, inhale and exhale. Hands straight over the head and look up. Maintain this posture for few breaths and gently come back. Each posture you need to be enjoyed. You don't have to be fight. You need to be enjoy the stretching. So after that, bend the elbows down and just keep moving the hips. Keep moving the hips. Keep moving the hips with lifting toe up. You see, with lifting toe up, keep moving the hip. And then one more time, you come up and hips more forward. Then exhale, lay down forward. Hands open to the side if you can. If you can, interlock finger and hands up. Hold this posture for few breaths, then hands under the shoulder. Inhale, body up. Then very slow, hold the knee, bend the legs up. And relax the leg. How to relax? Heels to the hip. Hips up, knee together. Hold your knees like that. Then hands down and open the legs out here. Turn the toes out about 45 degrees, hips down, palms together. Spine straight. Look front. Then gently, hands down on the ground. I turn my body to left side, so turn body one side. Right leg straight back. Bend the knee down. Foot flat. Front leg you need to bend 90 degrees. Keep your ankle line with the knee. Then hands straight on the back, push the hip down, stretching off your hamstring, stretching off your hip, lift the chest as well as stretching off your spine. Move the shoulder back and chest up, look up. Maintain this posture for few breaths. Gently come back, hands down, back side toes stand, leg up, turn body to the front side. Heels turn out, hold the heels, inhale and exhale, bend elbows with the leg, head down to the ground. Don't turn elbows front, keep your elbows with the calf. Maintain this posture for a few breaths. This posture really giving a very good stretching to the hamstring, to the hips, to the outside, to the inside. And gently, another side we go here. Bend the leg down, foot flat. This leg bend about 90 degrees. Hands take on the hips, push the hip down. Move the shoulder, lift the chest. Inhale and exhale, look up. And gently come back. Hold this posture for a few breaths. Hands down, back side toes straight, legs straight. Again turn front. Heels turn out, interlock finger. Inhale and exhale. Bend forward. And get down. Inhale, come back. Hands down on the ground. Slowly, slowly, walk your leg in, walk your leg in, walk your leg in to make the feet together and hold your heels from the back side. Inhale and exhale, elbows behind the leg, touch the face with the legs. Maintain this posture for few breaths. Inhale up and exhale, hands down. Then we go to the child pose. Relax the body.